कि जो हम लोगों ने मुहिम शुरू की थी कि हम दोनों जमातें मिलके उन ताकतों के ख़िलाफ़ लड़े जो यहाँ लोगों को बांटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, न सिर्फ रियासत में बल्कि सारे मुल्क में। और हिंदुस्तान इंडियन गठबंधन जो है वो बना इसीलिए था कि हम लोग उन फोर्सेस को जो कम्युनल डिवाइड और मुल्क को टुकड़ा करना चाहते हैं उनसे लड़ाई जाए। आज खुशी की बात है कि हम लोगों ने नेगोशिएशन पूरे कर दिए हैं और बड़ी ही अच्छे कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में हम लोग ने जो है कोऑर्डिनेशन कर दिया है और कांग्रेस और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस इकट्ठे इलेक्शन लड़े। अब इसमें मेरा साहब से मैं कहूँगा ये कुछ कहना चाहे तो यू लाइक टू से समथिंग।
Actually, the general idea is to protect the soul of the Kashmir. With the one side, BJP is trying to destroy the soul of Jammu and Kashmir. Our India Alliance main objective is to save the soul of the Kashmir, save Jammu and Kashmir. So that is why Congress and National Conference coming together to make a government in Jammu Kashmir which is totally friendly with Jammu Kashmir people, totally save the people of Jammu and Kashmir. That's why we done discussion in a cordial relations and we entered into a formula which our leaders will be shared. We will fight together, we will win Jammu and Kashmir, we will form the government in Jammu and Kashmir.
जी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी has raised question for National Conference manifesto asking कि autonomy resolution की National Conference के बाद की है, संसद सत्र की बात।
सर यहाँ से
Where is the moral right to say
सर यहाँ से
for Bharatiya Janata Party like that? Bharatiya Janata Party had alliance with the National Conference earlier. They had alliance with the PDP earlier. National Conference, the same old National Conference is still National Conference. Same old PDP is still PDP. They had alliance with both the parties with the same program. Every political party have their own programs, their own manifesto, their own promises. We have our own promises, our own manifesto. When we are forming the government, there will be a common minimum program.
common minimum program. Please, one ask.
For Kashmir, because the people of Kashmir are cheated by BJP now. Everywhere we heard about that union territory becoming a state. Here the only one state, the state become the union territory, which are done by BJP.
Correct.
They already cheated the people of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. Therefore, that is why we want a free BJP government in Jammu and Kashmir. Entire nation is also suffering through BJP. Their divisive agenda, their divisive policy, unemployment of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir is increasing day by day. There is no solution.
Largest unemployment.
Largest unemployment in the state. Their only one agenda is to do